So this vlog is a very exciting one. I will be going to show us some of the fruits I got from Nigerian markets today. I have the pawpaw, the soursop, the white garden egg, the green garden egg. In fact, I have a bunch of fruits. I have the pawpaw, the mango, the tangerine. This is the green garden egg, that's the white one. And that is the long neck pear, like we usually call it. And that's soursop. This is cucumber. And of course, the soursop comes in different sizes as a tangerine, so fresh. That is the mango. I love ripe mangoes. That is the pineapple. They are so delicious. So let's begin with the green garden egg. I'm just going to slice it, cut it over, and taste it for you guys to see how it looks. It's usually shiny, smooth on the inside, green color inside and white color out. Sorry, green color outside and white color inside. So if I cut it the other way around, you will see that it looks like the way tomato looks, just like a more solid form of tomatoes. So I'm just going to give it a bite, and it tastes good. I love the taste. It's not sweet, it's not salty, it's just have this like neutral taste, like fresh, chewy, something interesting. Let's move on to the white garden egg. These ones are actually a little bit smaller than the green one, but that doesn't mean they don't have large sizes. So but I think this is the one I saw in the market. It's also the same thing like the green one. I'm just going to give it a bite and see how it goes. From the expression of my face, you can tell I don't really like this one. Let's move on to the next fruit. This is a tangerine. This one has features like orange, so I'm just going to peel it off with my hand. You don't need a special tool to peel off tangerine. It comes right off, very easy to peel. So I'm just going to divide it into sections and give it a try. It's juicy and sweet, not so much seed on this one. That's why you can see I'm showing it like this one is nice. I love the taste. It's sweet. Move on to the next fruit. This is a long neck avocado. That's how we call it here in Nigeria. I don't know if that's the actual name. It's nice. We usually eat it with gari and sometimes bread, depending on your choice. Some people eat it with rice, but me, I like it with gari or with bread. But I don't know what came over me. I'm just cutting something that is not even ripe. Why am I cutting something that is not ripe, for God's sake? Hey, I couldn't even eat it when I finished. I just remember that I'm supposed to allow it to get ripe. You can tell that it's not fully ripe. But I just wanted to show you guys how it looks. And this one is more, it has more flesh than the regular round avocado, and it's delicious, trust me. So that's how it looks on the inside. It's like butter yellow and green on the outside. As you can see, it's not ripe yet. That's why it's like that. I just gave it a bite and I didn't like it. Let's move on to the next fruit. This is the pawpaw. That's what we call it in Nigeria, but people still refer to it as papaya. So I'm just going to cut it into two. Ta-da! This species of pawpaw is actually yummy, trust me. It is delicious. So I'm just going to slice a tiny section and peel it off and give it a taste for you guys to see. It's yummy. It's a very popular Nigerian fruit and it's affordable compared to some fruits like mango. I don't know why mango and pineapple is expensive. Well, for me, if I should reason it logically, I think it's because of the amount of time it takes to grow. Because pawpaw usually grows faster and produces faster within a short period of time compared to mango and pineapple. You should agree with me. So guys, I gave it a bite and I love it. It's delicious. This is ripe pawpaw, so it's soft and you'd love it if you give it a trial. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned. I have amazing content. You can check out my other videos. Give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment.